Yeah, let's go. See what, man? I'll take it. We just landed in Las Vegas and we're about to do a road show, which is going to be awesome. We're going to teach people how to build a life where you have margin to do the things you love with the people you love. How do you build a business that creates that kind of margin for you so you're not tied down to a 9-to-5 kind of job? This is something I did several years ago, and now we teach it to others and show them how to do it. Someone posted in our group, they're doing over $20,000 a month on their first product. Unbelievable. But it's not the money, it's what the money creates for you. We hit all these major cities and teach people in person how to do it, which I'm very excited about.
It's been really good. I'm tired and I just want to sleep and not do anything for the rest of the day, and then tomorrow I'll crush it. Okay, cut that part.
What did you think of the hotel?
It's pretty awesome. It feels like a big stadium to me because it's so large.
Yeah. This is a really cool moment. I am sitting here at a restaurant in Las Vegas, and I get to hang out with this dude and this beautiful woman. They're my business partners, also part of my family. And I get to do this because a long time ago, I decided to say, no, I'm no longer working for someone else, I'm gonna work for myself. It's not wrong to work for someone, but I knew there was a better way to make money. And that's why I chose the life that I did. That's why I started selling on Amazon and eBay. I will never forget my first sale on Amazon. It was like $14 to $15. I'll never forget when we got to $10,000 a month and then $20,000 a month. It's so worth it. And it's not the money, it's the money creates the means so you can do stuff like this. We're tired, we've been flying all day. My son and I, we just worked out really hard, and now we're here and we're gonna do a build your own omelet and just laugh and have fun. And then we're gonna work on our computers, and then we're gonna go back to the hotel and watch some TV shows and hang out and laugh, and then I get to see some of the Just One Dime team tomorrow. It's things like this that make it so meaningful to build your own business. It's hard, you're gonna fail along the way, but if you take ownership for your success, there's no reason on earth you can't do it. Every single day now, I get a message from someone saying, look, I fired my boss, or I'm making this much money, or I've reached this new level. It's incredible. You can make it happen. It just requires resilience and a willingness and a teachable heart, and a willingness to let life teach you. Are you gonna dance, Joe? Come on, you're live, come on.
What you doing?
Writing questions.
For what?
They're hot questions for Amazon.
Look at that.
Yep.
What are we gonna do, Danilo?
You guys will find out in a second.
So this is the least tile, right?
Yes.
Then this, and then this black stuff.
Yeah, so right here, like this.
Right. So how are you feeling?
I am terrified, to be totally honest. This is more scary than starting a business around the world. We are about to do something a little bit insane. I can't take hot sauce. I should not have drunk all that at once. So do know Denmark, but we do understand coffee ground compared to next more value. Holy smoke, can get help. Thank you too much.
How do you feel?
Hungry, so hungry. That's why I'm eating this.